सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ नोटिफिकेशन आता।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Syntax Server. Today we are discussing waste and effluent management important questions. Those who are not subscribing my channel, please subscribe and like and share. If you want this PDF first, subscribe my channel and click on the notification all option. Then if you want a PDF of notes, just comment PDF. If you are not subscribing my channel, that PDF is not coming to your comment section. So please subscribe, then after comment. Then note this point, only subscribers are allowed to download these notes.